Hello, hey, here's a very quick video to show you how to move your clients through the pipeline so it gets them into certain very specific workflows and out of very specific workflows. So let's say you have a client who just booked laser tattoo removal. So they automatically, when it pops onto your calendar, it automatically also shows up here under opportunities. So let's say you had 30 appointments booked for today. All 30 of those people and what they're coming in for would be listed here. And so you just look for the person. Let's say they're late for their appointment. You can just move this. You just click it and drag it over to the next place, treatment, late no-show. And this just gives them that hey, sorry, it looks like you're running late. Hope you're okay. Please give us a call or message me. And be safe, but hope you show up soon. And then also, if everything's fine, let's say they booked the appointment, they showed up. As soon as they show up, you should be moving. As soon as they walk in that door, you should be moving them to the treatment showed up. And that removes them from all workflows, and it puts them into a workflow that's like, hey, and it goes out tomorrow. So it was, hey, it was really nice seeing you yesterday, blah, blah. And then it just says, I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, blah, blah, blah. So it's more of that flow that you're putting them in when you're moving them to that, and then you're done. So hopefully this video helps, and we'll look forward to keeping you educated, a little techie, and running your business incredibly well. Thanks so much. Bye. Bye for now.